Hey guys, I want to talk about chandeliers. When we got here, there was this huge chandelier hanging in the living room. I've got it wrapped up now, as you can see. There's a lot of little pieces. Drywall will destroy this. They're very expensive to clean, very fragile. But what the client wanted to do was hang it over their tub. Now you can open up just about any HGTV magazine or TV show and see a chandelier hanging on the tub. This is super illegal. It's completely unsafe. You cannot do it. You've got exposed fixture above a wet surface. The inspectors will never let this fly. There's a lot of people doing it without inspections, and that's how you're seeing the photos. So what they did was they pulled their permit, they hung a legal fixture above the tub, they closed the permit, they came back and hung the chandelier. That's their liability. Here at Lynnwood, we're not going to do that. We're going to follow the building code. We care about you. We want a long-term relationship, and we care about your safety.